Hey everyone, welcome back to another Workplace Safety Talk. Today I'm covering an important topic: bench grinder safety. Whether you're sharpening tools, buffing metal, or just smoothing edges, bench grinders can be dangerous if not used properly. Let's go over the key OSHA safety guidelines and best practices to keep yourself and your coworkers safe. Bench grinders are powerful tools, but they come with risks. If the abrasive wheel is damaged or poorly maintained, it can shatter, sending dangerous projectiles flying. Loose clothing, jewelry, or even long hair can also get caught in the wheel, leading to serious injuries. That's why OSHA has specific standards for bench grinders under OSHA 29 CFR 1910.215 abrasive wheel machinery. Bench grinders are equipped with important safety features, and you should always check these before use. Tongue guards. These metal plates sit above the wheel opening to protect you if the wheel shatters. Make sure there's no more than a 1/2 or 4-inch gap between the guard and the wheel. Work rests. These support your workpiece while grinding. They must be no more than 1/8 of an inch away from the wheel to prevent jamming. Side guards, also known as spindle guards, these must cover at least 75% of the wheel to prevent injuries from flying debris. Machine guards are essential, but there are other safety steps you should follow. Check that your grinding wheel is rated for your machine. Using the wrong one can cause it to break. Perform a ring test before installing a new wheel. Tap it with a non-metallic object. If it sounds dull instead of ringing, it may be damaged. Stand to the side when turning on the grinder. If the wheel is defective, it could shatter when it reaches full speed. Wear proper PPE. This includes face shields, safety glasses, hearing protection, and durable gloves. Avoid loose clothing, jewelry, and untied hair. They can get caught in the wheel. And one final tip: never exceed the maximum recommended speed for your bench grinder. By following these precautions, you can prevent injuries and keep your workplace safe. If you have any questions, speak with your supervisor. Like and subscribe for more workplace safety tips, and stay safe out there.